I'd first like to introduce myself. My name is Cody Farzad, and I'm the manager of Employer's Choice Online, which is a division of Diversified Risk Management. I'm also joined with Michelle Cordova, who is our Director of Business Development and Marketing. And before this, Michelle has had over 6 years experience in the background screening industry, so she brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to this specific topic. Some of my daily duties that I do for our clients is responsible for educating various businesses, both large and small, on the state and federal laws, specifically states that have specific laws regarding pre-employment background checks. Also, best practices with regards to our industry. And also, I'd like to consider myself an expert on the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and that is the federal law that governs what background screening companies can do, as well as state and federal guidelines that regulate consumer reporting agencies and what exactly it is that consumer reporting agencies can report. So this is kind of the daily duties that I do, as well as information and education that I give to our clients.